Assalamu alaikum. So I just want to take you through how you can create a customer on Termius and use the customer you've created or the user you have created to config either source HTTP, NPV tunnel, or HTTP injector. So first, open your Termius and open your vault. After opening your vault, type in the menu. When you reach here, tap in one to create a user. So just create any user, maybe Ghana. Maybe you can use the user's name, maybe Kofi. Maybe you can just add a number, Kofi 3. If you want, just copy this thing so that you can just make the username and the password the same thing. So you are just using Coffee 3 as username and password. So you only need to copy one and send it to the app for configuration. So this, if it's buying 1 day or 2 days, 1 week 7 days, 2 weeks 14 days or 15 days, and then 1 month you can just put 30 days. So let's say he's buying 1 week, I'm just creating a test. He's buying 1 day, so I just put 1 there. Limit of connection, maybe he's buying alone, he want to use it alone, so just put 1. Then that is it, you are done creating the user. Then download any of our configuration apps. You can either download source HTTP. You can also download NPV tunnel. So any of the apps that your user is going to use, or you can use HTTP injector. And if it is for PC, we use net mode. Okay, so right now we are going to configure it on source HTTP. Then open your source HTTP. After opening it, what you have to do is just to change the settings. So you just have to change the settings. So here you change whatever is here, you change it to your customer's name. So we use Coffee 3, so you can just paste the Coffee 3. Then the password to just paste the Coffee 3. Then you save. So this is how you do it. After that, check and see whether it will connect. So it has connected. You can now send the file to him by exporting. So this is how you do, then send him the file. If he's buying 1 week, 2 days, or 1 month, so you can just do the settings, then send. Then after that you save. Then you can use the profile name. You can use the expiry date. So what is the expiry date? The expiry date is 31st March, so you can just put 31st March there. 31st March. Then you save and send to you can save it this way. Then go to import. You have the 31st March there. You can send it to that person via WhatsApp. So this is how you do it. So basically that is what we are going to do. So even if it is HTTP injector, just open your HTTP injector, go to the settings, then you can just change this thing to the Coffee 3, or you can still paste up. Since you've copied it, you can paste, then change the password to just paste and save. So try and see whether it will connect. You see that it has connected. Then you can now send him the file. So after this, let me connect to my source HTTP. After giving him it, if he connects to it, you can move back to what the file that you've been using. So always you can create your unlocked file. You can see I create unlocked files for my people, and I also have an unlocked file. Just create an unlocked file for yourself. Then after that, you just come back to your unlocked file. So don't be using the files you've created for them. Okay, so if you open your this thing again, if he is online, so you can online user monitor. You can monitor your users online. So those online, you'll be seeing them. Offline are in red, online green. So you can see the coffee tray is offline. So you can be checking this thing too. If he's online, it should be 1/1. But if it is more than that, like this person 9/50, that means his maximum is 50. If it is 51/50, that means they are more than that on the panel. So you can easily block that person. Okay, so that is how it should be done. So you shouldn't be sending them files without creating users for them here. So you can see that. So this is how you monitor them. You can be checking on and see how they are online, whether they are more than the one or they are exactly one person using it. So if you create it, make sure that only one person should use a file, but not more than that should be using a file. Okay, so this is basically how you should create a user on Termius and use it to configure either source HTTP or HTTP injector or MPV tunnel via the SSH protocol. Thank you very much. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.